It is so pretty at nighttime. Ah, did you see it go off? Every time I get near it, it goes off. I don't know if I have a defective one or if it's light or sensory activated. I'm not sure what's going on, but every time I get near it, it goes off or comes back on depending on where I am. It charges all day and at night it comes on, and I think it's so cool looking, like it's just pouring out into the yard. It's just pouring out water. I think this is one of the prettiest ones I've ever had, and I've had a whole bunch. Let me come around the other side so you can get a better look at it. Look, all these little tiny baby lights are going off in different order, and it really is quite long. And you can switch these up any which way because they're just wire, so you can have them hanging any way you like. And then this is a metal halter right here, and it put the post right into that. Look, there's ants all over it. And then that's where the solar goes. Now inside of there is the little plastic kind of rubbery button to turn it on. And I hate that thing. It is so hard to get it to turn on. But once it turns on, it is truly beautiful. I really love this thing, man. And it's right here in my yard. Look, see, it keeps going off and on. I'm not sure why. Right here, just on my path. No big deal. I just put it there because that's where I wanted to be able to see it when I look outside at night. So pretty.